If you are looking at a modern gaming desktop that tries to balance performance, efficiency, and price in one clean package, this system is worth paying attention to. At the heart of this machine is an AMD Ryzen 7 processor designed for strong multi-core performance, which makes it suitable not only for gaming but also for multitasking heavy workloads like streaming, editing, and everyday productivity. Paired with that is the NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card, featuring 8 GB of next-generation GDDR7 memory, which positions this system firmly in the upper mid-range gaming category. This combination is focused on delivering smooth gameplay in modern titles without pushing the price into premium flagship territory. Visually, the system follows a simple but modern design language. It does not try to be overly flashy, but still keeps a gaming identity through RGB accented airflow fans that give it a clean but energetic look. This makes it suitable for both gaming setups and professional desk environments where you want performance without a chaotic aesthetic. Connectivity is also practical here with a range of front and rear ports designed for everyday usage. There is also a USB expansion solution included that makes it easier to connect multiple peripherals such as gaming controllers, external drives, headsets, and accessories without constantly reaching behind the PC. Inside the system you get 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is now the modern standard for gaming performance. This ensures smooth switching between applications, stable gameplay, and better handling of memory-intensive tasks compared to older DDR4 systems. Storage is handled by a 1 TB PCIe solid-state drive, which significantly improves system responsiveness. Boot times are fast, game loading is quick, and overall system navigation feels instant compared to traditional hard drives. For most users, this storage capacity is enough to hold multiple AAA games along with software and media without needing immediate expansion. Now moving into performance, this is where the RTX 5060 really defines the experience. In competitive esports titles, the system is capable of delivering extremely high frame rates, which is essential for smooth and responsive gameplay. Games like fast-paced shooters and online competitive titles run with excellent stability and minimal latency when paired with optimized settings. When it comes to AAA gaming experiences, the performance remains solid and consistent. You are not necessarily pushing maximum ultra settings in every modern title, but you are getting a stable and smooth experience that prioritizes playability over raw benchmark numbers. That is the key focus of this machine. It is built for real-world gaming rather than synthetic performance charts. Thermal management is handled through a multi-fan airflow design that keeps internal temperatures under control even during long gaming sessions. This helps maintain stable performance over time and reduces the chances of thermal throttling under heavy load. Noise levels remain reasonable, which is important if you are gaming or working for extended periods. Power is supplied through a 500W unit, which is well matched for the current configuration. It provides stable energy delivery for the CPU and GPU combination while maintaining efficiency. However, it also means future extreme upgrades will need to be considered carefully within the power limits of the system. One of the strongest advantages of this desktop is its upgrade potential. Unlike laptops or closed systems, this desktop allows future improvements in memory, storage, and potentially even graphics upgrades depending on compatibility. This makes it a more long-term investment for users who want flexibility over time. So who is this machine actually built for? It is ideal for gamers who want a ready-to-use system that performs well out of the box without needing technical setup or customization. It also fits students, creators, and professionals who need a machine that can handle both gaming and productivity workloads smoothly. And it is a strong choice for users upgrading from older generation PCs who want a noticeable jump in speed, graphics quality, and overall system responsiveness. However, if your goal is extreme-level 4K gaming, professional 3D rendering, or workstation-class workloads, then higher-tier systems would be more appropriate. This system is not trying to compete in the extreme high-end category. Instead, it focuses on delivering balanced performance, efficiency, and value. It is designed to be practical, stable, and reliable for everyday gaming and productivity use. At the end of the day, this gaming desktop stands out because of its balance. It avoids unnecessary overpricing and instead focuses on delivering a smooth and consistent user experience. For most gamers, that is exactly what matters the most. If you are considering buying it, the link is available in the description for more details and current pricing.